Okay, so this is the great overview of this section. We'll go through everything we've learned. Okay, practice a little bit, see what you know. So I want you to follow me, and if you want, you can mute the volume and try to pronounce it by yourself. If not, you can hear how I pronounce it and repeat after me. Eventually, you'll need to say it by yourself. So practice, guys. Okay, let's start. So we talked about the vowels, and using these signs we see here, the pronunciation is different between every letter. So each letter can get different pronunciations with those signs as we spoke. So let's start with the first pronunciation. A. Okay. As we can see, those three signs, remember those? When you see the sound of the letter, the pronunciation is A. A. Okay, next. E. The E pronunciation. When you have these two dots, any of these variations, don't forget the little yud beside the letter. If you have the letter with this sign underneath it, with yud afterwards, the pronunciation is E. 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 Okay. The next pronunciation is E. E, like we said, if. E. Once again, if we see a letter with this little dot underneath it and the letter yud, or without the letter yud, this is yud, don't forget it. If we see that, we pronounce it E. Okay, don't forget the examples we gave you over the lessons. Take a look at the extra materials, see all the letters that are pronounced this way. Great. Next is O. O. So, these three signs, as you see here, give the pronunciation of O. This little dot above the letter. If we see the letter Vav, this is Vav, as you remember, with the dot over it, O. Or this special sign, okay, two dots and this little plus, O. Don't confuse with this and this, it's different, okay? Great. Now let's move on. U. The U pronunciation is with these two. When you see these three dots, you say U. Or once again with the Vav, the letter Vav right after the first letter with the dot right in the middle, we say U. And the short E is final, the final pronunciation with these two dots. For example, T or B, or the other letters you saw in the extra material. Okay, you need to know to recognize these. Once again, you need to know how to recognize. You don't have to know how to write them. Eventually you will know how to read Hebrew without those special signs. All you need is practice, and eventually you will recognize enough words to know how to read them without those signs, so don't worry about that. Okay, practice a lot, guys. We've prepared a few words right here for you. You probably know those words. For music, of course. These words with the special signs, you can read it with me. Do, as you see, with the dot. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, and si. Great, guys. Download the MP3 files, practice, extra materials. Good luck. Study hard for the test. Not gonna be an easy quiz, guys. Good luck.